Hi everyone. Today we're going to study summations. The sum of terms of a sequence such as a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 plus up to plus a sub n. This is from the sequence a sub n. Can be written in sigma notation as like this. We read this as summation of a sub n from I equals 1 up to n. Or this notation, we read this as summation of a sub n where I is between 1 and n inclusively. The first notation here is the most commonly used. The value of the variable I is referred to as the index of summation. The index of summation traverses every integer from its minimum limit of 1 to its maximum limit of n. The selection of the letter I as the variable was entirely arbitrary. We might have chosen any other letter such as J or K. Let's go to infinite series. Infinite series is the sum of infinitely many terms or numbers. A sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 plus and so on can be written as summation of a sub I, where I equals 1 up to infinity. Let's have example 1. Use summation notation to express the sum of the first 100 terms of the sequence a sub j, where a sub j equals 1 over j, for j equals 1, 2, 3, and so on. We take note that the index or the minimum limit equals 1. The maximum limit equals 100. And the a sub j equals 1 over j. So our answer here is summation of 1 over j from j equals 1 up to 100. Example 2. What is the value summation of j square, where j equals 1 up to 5? For our solution, first we take note that the minimum limit or the index equals 1. The maximum limit equals 5. So, summation of j square from j equals 1 up to 5, we write this into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. Simplifying the terms, we have now 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. And the total is 55. This is the final answer. Example 3. What is the value of summation of the quantity -1 is raised to k, where k equals 4 up to 8? First, we take note that the minimum limit equals 4, while the maximum limit equals 8. Summation of this quantity -1 that is raised to k, where k equals 4 up to 8, we now expand into -1 raised to power 4 plus -1 raised to 5 plus -1 raised to 6 plus -1 raised to 7 plus negative 1 raised to 8. Simplifying this, for those negative 1 that is raised to even powers, that will be positive 1, while remains to be negative 1 for those with odd powers. So we have now this 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. We simplify this into positive 1. This is the final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.